Nigerian Supreme Court will rule on Thursday whether to uphold President Bola Tinubu's disputed election victory. Hi, welcome to What's Happening. These are the top 10 stories. At number 1, the Supreme Court of Nigeria is scheduled to render its verdict on Thursday, October 26, 2023, in the legal matters involving Atiku Abubakar, the presidential candidate of the People's Democratic Party, and Peter Obi, the presidential candidate of the Labour Party. These appeals challenges the judgment of the Presidential Election Petition Tribunal and are directed against the Independent National Electoral Commission, Bola Ahmed Tinubu, Kashim Shettima, and the All Progressive Congress. At number 2, the Economic and Financial Crimes Commission (EFCC) has opened its case before Justice Obiora Ugwatu at the Federal High Court Abuja against the British national James Nolan, who jumped bail in 2022. Counsel for the EFCC, Bala Sanga, led the first prosecution witness, Temitope Erinomo, an assistant chief complaint officer with the anti-graft agency in evidence. Erinomo, who works in the Special Control Unit Against Money Laundering, told the court he was part of the investigating team and the criminal charge filed against MyCard Project City Services Limited and Nolan. Nolan, a director on the Process and Industrial Development Limited, jumped bail and stopped attending court proceedings in 2022. At number 3, the Lagos State government has issued a stern warning to commercial drivers and traders loading and selling on Kata Bridge, Agbokpon Bridge and other bridges. In an official statement, the Special Advisor on Central Business District, Bola Olegbon Lawal, cautioned both vehicle owners and traders to abstain from parking and conducting commercial activities on all bridges. She further warned that any violations would result in the impoundment of vehicles involved in these activities. At number 4, 25 soldiers and an officer drawn from various formations within the 82 Division are currently being court-martialed in the 82 Division of the Nigerian Army for various offences. While inaugurating the court-martial, the General Officer commanding 82 Division, Major General Hassan Dada, said the court-martial is one of the vehicles used by the military to instill discipline in its personnel, and that the accused remain innocent until proven otherwise after going through the court-martial and giving due fair hearing. The GOC called on the Defense Counsel to avoid unnecessary adjournments which would make the case drag. At number 5, the federal government says it will halt the salaries of public officers whose records could not be verified on the Integrated Personnel and Payroll Information System (IPPIS). This decision was communicated in a statement by the head of the Civil Service of the Federation, Dr. Folasade Yemi Esan. The statement revealed that the 2-week verification process, which began earlier, is set to conclude on Friday, October 27, 2023. The verification period was extended as an act of goodwill for officers who were unable to participate in earlier verifications. At number 6, a judge of the Rivers State High Court, Eberechi Wike, has advocated the amputation of people found guilty of defiling minors. Justice Wike, who is the wife of the Minister of the FCT, Yisim Wike, stated this Tuesday on the sidelines of the second National Conference of Family Court Judges, Magistrates and other family court practitioners in Port Harcourt. She insisted that the current punishment isn't drastic enough, adding that the move will deter sexual offenders from molesting minors. According to the judge, society should step up punishment for people who defile children beyond life imprisonment or a 14-year jail term. At number 7, the Senate has justified the planned purchase of luxury vehicles for lawmakers in spite of dissenting voices in the last few days. Briefing journalists on Tuesday in Abuja, the chairman of the Senate Committee on Services, Sunday Karimi, said that the leadership of the 2 chambers of the National Assembly decided to buy the luxury cars for lawmakers because of durability and maintenance for the period of 4 years. At number 8, a trial opened Tuesday in the Gambia's capital, Banjul, over the deaths last year of small children who took a cough syrup made by the Indian-based Maiden Pharmaceuticals. Some 70 children aged 5 and under died in 2022 after taking the over-the-counter medicines, leading to a national outcry in the West African nation of about 2.5 million people. Justice Ebrima Jate of the High Court in Banjul adjourned the proceedings until November 7th after finding that 3 state defendants who had failed to appear lacked diligence. The families are suing 5 defendants: Maiden Pharmaceuticals, local distributor Atlantic Pharmaceuticals, the Medical Controls Agency, the Ministry of Health, and Attorney General Dauda A. Jallo, to demand they admit that the children were killed by consuming contaminated medicines. At number 9, American actor Richard Roundtree, considered the first black action film hero for his 1971 role in Shaft, died Tuesday at the age of 81, known for opening new doors for black actors. Richard Roundtree died with his family after a brief battle with pancreatic cancer, more than 50 years after the immensely successful eponymous private detective John Shaft. Richard Roundtree still appeared on screen, notably in the series Cherish the Day and the comedy Moving On in 2022. Richard's work and career served as a turning point for the first African-American male roles in cinema, said his agent Patrick McMinn in a statement to Variety magazine. At number 10, the Confederation of African Football has officially confirmed the date for Nigerian Super Eagles 2026 FIFA World Cup qualifier against Lesotho and Zimbabwe in November. On the first match day, which is part of Group C, the Super Eagles will play host to Lesotho at the Godswill Akpabio International Stadium in Uyo Akwa on Friday, 17th November 2023. Subsequently, on match day 2, the Eagles will travel to Kigali, Rwanda to face Zimbabwe on Monday, 20th November. The upcoming qualifiers are pivotal for the Super Eagles as they aim to secure their spots in the prestigious FIFA World Cup tournament. That's all for today. See you next time on What's Happening.